What's going on, ladies and gents? We've got another video here. Whoop whoop! Yeah, what we're gonna do, we've got a nice super special one going on here for ya. Well, let me show you. Jeez, what is this? M-Tech EBC. You got it right. We're doing a brake upgrade. The front grooved and vented discs. Yeah. With the green stuff pads we're going to try out. And the grooved and vented rear discs. So yeah man, do you know what? I've noticed like the brakes like proper spongy, like my foot's going down, so it was about time to change it and upgrade it. So I thought, do you know what, green stuff, it should be a bit better than standard. So we got the grooved and vented, and yeah, let's just get going and let's do it, man. Jeez. Right, nearly forgot to do. Open up the brake reservoir. Just literally releasing the caliper. All the pads. These are getting changed.
All joint needs replacing.
You can't change them upper ones. You need to buy the complete arms. Yes, look at them beauties. Oh yeah. So what's going on here? Just pushing the piston back, so when we put the new pads in, it should all slide into place. Look at that, no meat left on that. Wow. Little bit meat on that. Nah, forget that. Right, while my brother's doing that, I'm gonna make sure that these pads are correct. Beautiful. Right, we've got these things. This is the first time putting green stuff, and I ain't got a clue like what this stuff is, but yeah, we'll put it on anyway. Well, we're not putting right now? No?
Discs?
Oh yes. This is why I ain't doing it, and we're having someone who does brakes and stuff. Made in Japan. While we do this, remove any contamination. Ooh, look very nice already.
Alright.
Thank you. Put the old copper grease on it so we don't have the old squeakiness, you know.
That's it.
Wonderful. it looks good. Let's hope it performs good. That's one done. Look at that beautiful one. I messed up. I put them 2 on the same side. Yeah, make sure you check it that they're the right one. And yeah, the rears ain't as bad as the front, but changing them anyway. There's plenty of meat on these pads, but yeah, beautiful. These ain't going on today, unfortunately, because just in case we get a problem going up to the metal pipe or whatever. So it is a shame. Yeah, just in case that rounds off.
I want to record me.
Why?
Because I'm doing drift car.
Ah, forget it. You don't let me drift it. This is the last wheel on. We're gonna have to redo the braided discs. I meant the braided lines another time. Look how beautiful these discs and pads look. And got the perfect rims to show them off. You know what? The stopping power is so much better now. Obviously, you gotta let your brakes bed in and everything for a couple of 100 miles, and then yeah, it's gonna be super sharp. But yeah, it's so much better. From what you could see, there was literally nothing left on the pads. Still got to do the braided brake lines, but that's another time. But like always, I hope you like this video. Hit that like button, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more content for all you ladies and gents. And stay charged, y'all. Cheers!